Hello everyone, welcome back to ETO ICT Media. If you have not already, make sure to check out our previous video on the basic Excel functions for some essential spreadsheet management tips. So today we are going to dig into another powerful functions, which is an if function. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have an Excel open on your computer. If you missed our previous video, don't worry, you can catch up later. For now, let's focus on mastering the if functions. So the if function is a conditional functions that allows you to perform different actions based on whether a condition is true or false. It is incredibly useful for decision making on your spreadsheets. So to use if functions, you can click here, which is an insert function. So you can search it from here by using all, or you can type it here easily. So let me type it here, if, and I can click on go. As you can see, I can easily find out the if. So first, let me try to explain these things. The first one is logic test. So here you have to put the conditions you want to check. You have to put it here, and the other one, the value if true, what to do if the condition is true. So you have to put that one is here, and the other one, what to do if the condition is false. So this argument is we have to place some here. So when we finish, we can click on OK, and we can get the results here. So first, let me try to explain what is given, and after that I can show you how we try to give or put our arguments nicely. So as you can see, name of the students list is given, and one course is given here, which is maintenance. So we want to find out for these results. This is out of 100, so we want to give it grade. So the instruction is given here, as you can see. If the course is greater than 85, we should have to give A, and if the course is greater than 70, which is B, and course greater than 60, C, again course greater than 50, D, else it will be F. So based on these instructions, so we'll try to find out the grade. If you have another instructions, the input you have to put here, it will be different based on your instructions. So just like our last video, you can do it here, functions, formulas easily, or you can select or insert functions from here. So by clicking FX, so previously I just used if. So if you used the function previously, it will come up on the first place. So let me click OK, and now I will try to add my logic test here. So the first logic test is I have to compare here, which is D3. I have to click the first result here, and D3 greater than which is 85. This has to be given A. So we have to put the first argument like this, and the other argument you have to include if statement or the whole statement other than the A argument or the A statement. other than the else statement, you have to include it here. As you writing here, you can see what are the input or what your function looks like. You can see it from here. So the first one is if D3 greater than 85, it will be A. And the second argument, if I will open a brace, and if again I have to click here, if D3 greater than 70, comma, double quote, I have to include double quote like this, B, and comma again. I have to open another if statement. So I just finished the second one. The first one is this one, D3 greater than 85. The output is A. If D3 greater than 70, B. Again, if I have to open the brace again, D3 greater than 60, which is the second one, is with double quote C. And again the next one, if D3 greater than 50, comma, with double quote is D. So else, here is the difference. The other is almost the same. If D3 greater than 85 is A, if D3 greater than 70, B, if D3 greater than 60, C, if D3 greater than 50, D. Now you don't have to write if D3 like that, you don't have to include like that. You have to put only the output, which is else. If it is else other than this value, the Excel has to give F. So we should have to put it like this. Now we have already or the Excel already closed one of the brace, so we have to close the others. 1, 2, 3. So you have to count like this. So we need 3 braces. So like this. Now you can click OK, and you will gonna get the result, which is B, because it's in between 70 and 85, so it's correct. Let's check for the other. So let's use fill to check the others. So everything is okay. As you can see, it's given A here, B here. This is given F for Oliver, because it's 45, is below 50. We just put it here in the instruction if it is less than 50, so it's correct. And that's the basic of using the if function in Excel to grade students based on their performances, which is on this course. So by mastering this function, you can efficiently manage and evaluate students' data in your spreadsheets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or topics you would like to see covered in our future video, please let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.